Hey, in today's video, I will show you how you can recover your deleted favorites on the Microsoft Edge browser. So without wasting any time, let's dive right in. Your accidentally deleted favorites are stored on the deleted favorites for 28 days before permanent deletion. If you are within the recovery window, then you can restore them by following these steps. First, click on the favorites icon from the Edge toolbar or use the Ctrl+Shift+O shortcut key to open the favorites bar. Next, select the tiny recycle bin icon and you will be redirected to your Edge browser deleted favorites. Now, check the boxes beside the deleted favorites you wish to recover and click on the restore button. With this, your deleted Microsoft Edge favorite will be reverted to the browser's favorite page. In case you cannot find the favorites icon on your Edge browser's main page, then the favorites icon may be disabled on your PC browser. If that's the case, then you can enable it from your browser settings by following the below steps. First, click on the three white dots to open the Microsoft Edge settings and menu, or you can press the Alt+F key for a quick launch, then select settings. Now click on appearance, scroll down to select which buttons to show on the toolbar, and finally toggle on the favorites button. By doing this, the favorites icon will appear on your Edge toolbar. Once you have enabled the favorite icon on your browser, you can recover your deleted favorites in the Microsoft Edge browser using the steps I mentioned earlier in the video. Also, you can watch my YouTube video on how to recover deleted history on Microsoft Edge by tapping on the I button. Now, let's restore your deleted Microsoft Edge favorites from the backup. Most web browsers allow their users to export the saved bookmarks from browser in an HTML file so that they can keep it as a backup and use it when needed. Similarly, Edge also has the same feature for creating a backup of existing favorites. In case you have created a backup of your Edge favorites, then you can restore deleted favorites by importing the HTML file Edge bookmarks from the backup. This can be done by following the steps. First, click on the favorites icon and select three dots for more option. Now, click on the import favorites, select choose what to import, select favorites of bookmarks HTML file and click on choose file. Now, select the favorites file from the backup and click on open. Finally, click on done. In case you have deleted the backup file of your Edge browser's bookmarks, then do not worry. You can recover it with the help of Stellar Data Recovery Professional. This all-file recovery software can easily retrieve a deleted HTML file from your PC's drives. You can check out my detailed review on Stellar Data Recovery Professional by hitting the I button. Now let's recover the deleted favorite.html file from your PC. First, install Stellar Data Recovery Professional on your Windows PC. It's also available for macOS. Once installed, launch the software and select all data. Next, select the location of your backup HTML file and click on the scan button. Now wait until the scan is done. And select the favorites.html file from the preview window. Once found, click on the recover button. Now open the recovered file and use it to import your deleted favorites on your Microsoft Edge browser. That's it for today's video. If you like watching our content, don't forget to like, subscribe to Data Recovery Advisor and hit the bell icon for regular updates. Thanks for watching.